No man, shower. Yo, I them things that make me beard, you know. Hello people. Yo, we need to in a long introduction because a serious matter about me, you know. Because, you know, I really don't like how the Jamaican stay. I say, anytime a Jamaican go to a hotel, I always make it look like someone living away, you know. I don't even know it born me, you know, man, sure. But, yo, when I say I show them, I say, because maybe me talk and you not understand me, I say. So, look how a Jamaican behave when them go out hotel. Yo, cheese and peas. Yo, it get them up. Tell me, big mattress. Yo, I'm people on bed. One man. Yo, bed soft. Mattress. Them bed that can't real. Jesus and peas, not tell me say, yo, mini table. So that means, yo, when I eat my breakfast in my room, just a thing like this. Yo, then, no man. When I in my house, upon come, I have to sit down and eat my food. No man. It's not ordinary. Watch out. I'll cook today up one table and tray. You see, if you come out, I could eat half egg too. Oh my gosh, yo, you can't believe it. Yo, an actual drawer. When give me a drawer, I can put clothes in it. So, and now, man, I have to throw my clothes in one little basket. So, yo, nobody can tell me say, this can't be eat up. But look how your drawer clean, man. Ah, see, we can't sit down for night. I'm looking in the mirror. You want me cutie, man? Jeez, young people. What half flowers me get? Although it look like it a dead. But yeah man, this feel like we're gonna safe. Yeah man. Sister can't come here, I can search up again. See there? Key. Can't come on my yard, I can search up my place with me. No. My money didn't lock up tight. You see me? Sister, safe there. No man, an ordinary bathroom them, you know. I say man, face please, some more wash my face. Not to catch no more water in the one tank. Yo, all, no man, shower. Yo, I them things that make me beard, you know. Shower. Yeah. Yeah man, I have to wait for my regular kitchen water and stand up on the way and show them for me. Yeah man. Watch a man can't look on me cute face in that glass. Yeah man. Oh. All that toilet, no man. You know call them a toilet. Show them man. Cause I see all the back country. I pick them big bag man feel, you know man. This is not ordinary, yo. You sit down and this feel like you're in heaven. Catch me shower man. Yeah man. Them things that make your beard. Once I got them, man, can't tell me say no beard. So yeah, thank you for watching this 6th episode on Bright Future Stars TV. Next I want you to
like,
comment,
share,
and
subscribe.
Dream it, believe it,
Make it real.